Good day, guys. Good day, guys. This is JANiTRADER.S. So on this video, guys, I just want to show you the trades that I was able to enter today that went to profit and the trades that went to a loss. So we have only one trade that went to a loss. So we were able to enter Euro JPY, as you can see, and Euro USD, as you can see, and we were able to enter what again. USD card is the one that is in loss. So today I'm going to explain this trades on what happened on this trade. The other one was, let me check, guys. Okay, the other one was card JPY. So this is what happened, guys. So I was on Euro USD, Euro JPY. I want to start explaining on Euro JPY because it's one of the trades that gave me good amount of money. We were able to make around 400 US dollars with only this trade. So what happened, guys, if you check the previous two videos that I've posted, if you check the videos, I've explained the strategy. So today I'm not going to explain the strategy. I'm going straight to what happened and how we were able to capture this direction. So I'm going to show you the good sides of the strategy and also the bad side of the strategy. So this trade, we woke up around 1 a.m. in the morning. So we were late. We woke up around 1, it was 20 to 2. So you know that with our broker, the Exness broker that we are using, 23, it means 1 o'clock. Then 22, it means 12 o'clock. Then 21, it means 11 o'clock. So today I'm going to explain something that is different. This is how you're gonna be able to catch your signals for buy, whether the trade will be a buy or whether the trade will be a sell. So remember, if you see us entering a buy here, which means the bigger time frame, the 1 year and the 5 year, is a buy, no matter what. If you see us entering a buy, the 1 year and 5 year already confirmed a buy. So when we wake up around between 1 and 2, 2 a.m. in the morning, between 1 and 2 a.m. in the morning, we're gonna look for the signal, for the pair that is going against the market structure. Today I'm also going to reveal the pairs that you can trade using this strategy. So remember, the strategy is for all pairs, but the pairs that are highly effective with this strategy, I'm going to reveal them on this video. Make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you go to description, you click the link to download our app, make sure that you click the link, follow us on Instagram so that you get updates. Make sure on all our social media platform, make sure that you follow us so that you get updates easily of anything that we post. As you can see, what happened here, guys, the market favored us, gave us a very nice downtrend from, remember, today I'm revealing what we call 3-hour code. 3-hour code, we mean from 1:12, from 1:12 and 11. So which means, which we call 11:12, which we call 11, 12 and 1 code. What we can call it like this, we can say 6-hour code. Remember, 5 o'clock, if you entered by 1, 5 o'clock, if the trade that you entered is in big profit, you can close it. Or if it's still in a small profit or not in profit, you wait for 12. If 12 didn't work, you wait for 6. You understand? So this is what we call 3-hour code. 3 hour code. 3 hour code. So we're gonna check whether in the previous hour what happened to the market starting from 11 o'clock. Starting from 11 o'clock, starting from 1 o'clock going back. Remember, we will be up by 11, then we start from 11 going back and see how the market was moving. As you can see, from 11 going back, 12 and 9, the market was on a downtrend. The market was facing down. As you can see here, the market was facing down, which gave us the opportunity. It shows that the market was going against the trend of the original movement. So as you can see, let me just do it like sorry, let me just do it like this. As you can see from here, which is 1 1, which is 1 12 and 11. As you can see, from this hours it's 11 12 1. So between these 3 hours, between this from 1 up until from 11 up until 1, the market was giving us a downtrend. As you can see, this structure resembles a downtrend. If we're gonna place our, let me not go that far. If we're gonna place this, it's not actually straight. You can see it shows you that the market was failing by this time, so which means it was against the original movement. It was against the original movement of this pair. That's why you see us entering a nice buy there. If we were to enter very early, we were to find ourselves entering exactly here, you understand, then we push up with the market. So but we got it late. We entered around 2, our 12, which is 2, we entered around 2, we woke up around 2, then we were able to still grab nice buy from the market. So what happened is that it moved earlier. In my other accounts, I was able to close. It moved earlier. I closed around remember, it's 1 2 3 4 5. Around 5 o'clock I was able to close here. I've closed some of my trades around 5 o'clock. So today we didn't wait for one. So we didn't wait for 1. Even though we were gonna wait for 1 and protect our trade and just wait for 6, we were still gonna get the same profits that we closed at 5 o'clock. So which is very, very amazing. As you can see, the reason why we entered this, it was following the market structure, the possible movement. So we found Euro JPY trending according to what we want. So if the bigger time frames are giving us buy trend, the 1 year and 5 year are giving us buy trend, then we know that between 1 a.m. and 2 a.m. we're gonna strictly look for what we call we're gonna strictly look for the market to trend the opposite direction. So we got that here. As you can see, the market was trending with a sell between these 3 hours, between 11, 12 and 1. The market has to go against the original direction so that we can see that this is a buy. So that's how we get our signal. That's how you see your signal. Keep it in mind. So 5 o'clock, if the market moved enough and gave you good profit, make sure that you close 5 o'clock. But if it didn't yet move enough, just wait for 12 o'clock and see what happens. If by 12 o'clock nothing is happening, wait for 6. If 6 nothing is happening, just wait for 12 o'clock, for 5 o'clock the following days, or 12 o'clock. Just keep on those closing times, just keep on watching the market and see what is happening. Your trades will definitely go into profit. So this is how we were able to kill this one, guys. This is how we were able to kill this one. So yeah, So now let's go to another pair. Let's go to CAD JPY. So on the CAD JPY, guys, remember, if I'm buying, that means 1 year and 5 year are giving us a bullish structure. So what happened here, guys? Let's go and check. Okay, let me do like this. What happened here between the times? The important thing is the times. Okay, this one is not that clear, but I was able to catch it. So as you can see, this is one, this is one, this is two, this is 12, and this is 11. So from 11, just look at this, guys. From 11, from 11, 12, and 1, the market was moving downtrend. As you can see, the market was moving downtrend. So we had this, we had something like this, we had something like this. Let me confirm it very clear. Okay, from 1, from 12, I mean 11, 12, 1. Then by 1 o'clock, the market was giving us a sign of a buy. So this is what happened. From o'clock, as you can see, from o'clock here, the market was giving us a structure. So as you can see, going back, guys, going back, look at this. Look at this. Remember, this is we can go to outlook, it's fine. The outlook is also doing good, but I think it's good if we start it here. So as you can see, from this is what we call 11, 12, 1. You see, so the market was going on a downtrend from 11, 12, and 1. The market was going on a downtrend. Then by 1 o'clock, when it's time to trade, we woke up, and this is where we're gonna enter our trade. This is where we were supposed to enter. Due to the market trending down, if we saw it early, this was our entry. Then it pushed down and pushed up. So on CAD JPY, everything went very fine. As you can see, by 5 o'clock, which is 3, by 5 o'clock, the market gave us a beautiful close there. This is where we were supposed to close our trade. Remember, if by 5 o'clock the market is giving you a very nice closing time, just make sure you close. Then we just pushed by 12 o'clock. This is where the market ranged down and came back to our position. If we didn't see it, we were gonna be in problem. But if I was waiting for, I was not gonna close, then I was gonna wait for what? For 6. Then 6 kept us up at the same level. As you can see, let me do like this so that you can see it very nice. As you can see, took us back to what was supposed to where we were supposed to close. So which means today 12 o'clock was not, unless if we entered here, 12 o'clock was gonna be our closing time. We were gonna just feel somehow and close, but just because of we entered around 2, then 12 o'clock was what was our ranging moment. Then we were supposed to wait for 6. So the market moved very nice. So make sure every time try to wake up at least 1 or 1 o'clock. Just try to wake up during that time so that you are able to see the market moving very nice with you, giving you a very beautiful profit. So if you are an aggressive trader, you can enter aggressively here and see how you kill it. It's up to you, but as long as you use risk management, you're killing it with this move only. This move only and a good account and good lot sizes, you can make 1 million. That's what can happen, guys. So let's go to another pair. USDJPY. Yeah. So on USDJPY, this is what happened, guys. So this is what happened, guys. Remember our 3-hour code. So we're gonna wait for it. This is 11, this is 12, this is 1. So the market was ranging with a beautiful downtrend here. So always when you enter, just try to look for that range that is remember, some ranges are moving with zigzag, so just look for that one that is clean, then take an advantage on that trade. You can risk as much as you can. I'm telling you, you're gonna be in a good profit at the end of the day. So this is what happened, guys. This is what happened to this trade. So obviously we just mark it from 11, 12, and 1. So around 5 past 1, this is where we were going to enter our trade and move up with the market. So around 3, we were going to close. So this one, today's trades were good for closing around 1. So as you can see, it didn't reach our height. So by 12 o'clock, if you entered here by 12, let's see, by 12 o'clock you were gonna be in small profits, not that much, but you were supposed to, at least if you entered somewhere here, you just waited to move. By 5 o'clock you protect your trades, for if it's gonna come back down, it closes automatically, or if it's moving forward, it moves, then you become in more profit. But anyway, even though we didn't close where we were supposed to put our sell stop, which is here, which is there, that's what we were supposed to close today around 6. So opportunity for closing was always there, but 5 o'clock was the best one because the market ranged highly and resisted from there. So USDJPY was the best today. USDJPY was good, as you can see. Our signal, remember this hours, this 3 hours, the 11 and 12 and 1, this hours gives us the market movement. These hours give us, let's say, let me put it like this. How can I put it? That the important ranging, it's 12 o'clock. So from 11, let's say from 11:30, I can't say 11:30 actually, but I can say 11, from 11:50 up until 1 o'clock. What I can say 11:30 and 1:30. 11:30 and 1:30. 11:30 and 1:30. But between 11 and between 1, the range that you get, the trend that you get, if the trend is against the higher time frame, that's your signal. It's giving you that the market will buy for the day. So this is how we were able to kill this one and make amazing profit, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna close. The reason why now I'm not rushing to close is because the market is low, so I'm not affected. I will also show you how much we made. So let's go to USD JPY. So this is what we call the resistant trade. This one resisted everything. So what happened is that around the time, let me see here, around 11, around 1, 11, 12, 1, as you can see. So the market gave us a very beautiful buy signal here. It gave us a very beautiful buy signal here. This is what happened to the market. We were supposed to follow that, as you can see. So we expected the market to at least range here, then after ranging and push up. So that this is what we were expecting. This is what we were expecting. This is what we were expecting, but we're still expecting. We are not done expecting this. So the market decided to do what? The market decided to pull back. The market decided to pull back, as you can see. The market decided to pull back. We don't know when it will come back, but we believe that the market have to come back at least to that level so that we are able to close our trades. So we are not worried that much about this trade. We're still gonna hold it, so we are not worried that much about it. We are not worried. This is how the strategy, not really the strategy, this is how the drawdown. Remember the drawdown that I spoke about on the previous two videos. This is the drawdown that you have to expect, and this is why you must use risk management. Remember the reason why we entered this trade. We entered this trade because the 1 year and the 5 year are on an uptrend. So this is just the drawdown that happens to any pair when you are trading, but it doesn't mean that you have to close or set your sell stops. No, you don't have to do that. You just have to hold this trade up until it's in profit, because sell stops are meant to take you out in the market earlier. So as you can see, if we entered here and just put our sell stop here, we were going to be in trouble. Let's go and check those other pairs that we were analyzing. For example, if maybe I entered here, you see, I entered here and put my sell stop somewhere here, this was going to take me out. I was going to miss the 6 o'clock profit. So we allow the market to range freely so that at least we can fight and win market makers. So this is what is happening, guys. We're still holding this drawdown. I will show you when it comes in profit. I will show you. This is how at least we analyzed it. I will show you when it comes in profit next week. So we're still holding. We are in drawdown in some other accounts, but we know it's gonna go up. Maybe it might go up before 9, so we will see what happens. So guys, let me show you the profits. As you can see, guys, this is the profits that I was able to make using our strategy. So I'm closing this profit. I'm only leaving the one that is in drawdown. As you can see, guys, this is what we analyzed. So this strategy is very powerful, guys. This is what we call reality. So as you can see, guys, this is what happened to this one. 6 o'clock hit, we close. 6 o'clock is up, man, it's up. So we only left with that one I told you about. So we're gonna hold up until we are in profit. So let's go. Let me show you the pairs that you can trade with this strategy. So guys, these are the pairs that you can trade with this strategy. This is what we call Asian session. So what you can do, guys, you can trade this pairs: USD JPY, Euro JPY, AUD USD, AUD JPY, NZD USD, Euro USD, NZD JPY, USD CAD, and USD CHF. These are the pairs that you can trade with our strategy, guys. This is what you can do with our strategy. These pairs are so amazing, guys. Make sure that always when you wake up, you check them first before you go to others. If you don't find any opportunity on these ones, just try others, but make sure you use risk management so that even pullbacks are there, you are able to carry on and move with the market and on anyhow it moves. So make sure, guys, make sure you subscribe, follow our channel, make sure you are part, make sure you inbox, go to our description. We put links there. where you can communicate with us and get reach of us so that you are able to learn face to face. Danko.